Hey, what's going on, Rockstars? It's Wednesday, July 13th, 2022, and that means it is Amazon Prime Day, day 2, yesterday, day 1, of course, and there's some amazing deals out on Amazon, especially for resellers and entrepreneurs and business owners like myself or you guys who are watching this channel. There's some awesome deals on items that we use each and every day, or at least most of us use, and that includes thermal printers, not to mention thermal wireless printers that you can print, Bluetooth wireless that you can print from your phone and your tablet. I'll go ahead and link one down below. In fact, I'll link a couple of them down below. I'm going to delete my whole description box and just focus it on the stuff that you can grab for Prime Day today. So if you've been looking forward to getting a thermal printer, what is so good about thermal printers? Well, they don't use ink and they don't use toner. I'll pop the screenshot up here so you guys can see. So they print with heat, and that basically means you never have to buy ink and you never have to buy toner again. And if you're getting it for a really good price, like here on Prime Day, then it will pay for itself million times over, because with a normal printer you still have to buy paper, or you have to buy peel and stick labels or whatever. With thermal printers, you just get the 4x6, they spit it out, you peel it off, you stick it on, you're all set. So really good investment. If you need one, grab it. There's also going to be shipping scales, tape guns, things like that if you need them for your basic business. I know a lot of newer resellers or people who want to be resellers will be checking out that kind of stuff. You got to have a shipping scale to be able to weigh your packages and figure out how to buy your labels, what's going to be cheapest, what's accurate so you're not breaking the law. A tape gun to tape up boxes and envelopes sometimes is a good idea to have. Also, you can go hunting for poly mailers, bubble mailers, any kind of packing supplies, tape, boxes, labels for those thermal printers. All that sort of stuff is on Amazon. It's on Prime Day discounts today, so check that out. You can go ahead and click the links, go over to Amazon, look at whatever you want to look at, and then search through everything else, and it helps me out because Amazon does give us a little bit of a cutback, a throwback if you buy stuff through the links and if you buy that item or any other item. So it's really helpful for the channel. So I do appreciate if you do that, and you'll be able to get yourself some great deals to invest in your business. One of the best things that you can do for your business is invest in your business, make things go faster, which the thermal printers will do. I actually still have my wired thermal printer. You can see it right there. That's the plug and play wireless. It's kind of our backup in case anything else happens. I have an everyday printer I keep in my office over there too. We hardly use it because we mainly only print shipping labels, but that's our backup one. And then my wireless one that doesn't plug into anything is downstairs. And then I have a third one, which I may give that one away right there. Some company gave it to me to promo. But yeah, you can grab some cheap thermal printers and some other stuff today, all day on Prime. So do go take a look, see if there's anything that you need. Maybe you need some office furniture. Maybe you need, like an office desk, like nice desk. Maybe you want a microphone to start your own podcasting, your own YouTube. Maybe you want a new webcam to do Zoom calls or whatnot live. Maybe you want a new computer monitor, something like that. I don't know. Who knows what you need off of Prime, but Prime Day, it's always a good thing to go shopping on it, and I figured I'd give you guys a heads up in this short video and link it all down below so you can check it out. Just click down there. You may have to hit see more and then just scroll down. There'll be all kinds of cool stuff there, including also the security cameras that I use. I'll throw some screenshots up here. I bought some cameras for the house so that I could see out on the street and around the house, but you could use it for your office, for your storage unit, for your home. It's great for everything, and it's a set of 2 for $70. All you do is just plug them into the wall, pop an SD card in them, and they run all day to your phone. You can look back through all this footage. You can pay extra if you want. You don't have to for cloud storage. Everything. They have night vision, 1080, notifications, motion detection. They are amazing. They take literally seconds to hook up. I bought 2 of them. I'm going to be buying 2 more of them before the end of the night. And with that, I'll leave you guys to the rest of your Prime Day. Happy shopping. What did you guys buy? Comment down below. Let me know what you purchased on Prime Day, what you picked up, if anything. And if you're planning to pick up anything, do please use the links. Even if it's not the item you want, just click that link, go to Amazon, and then search for the item that you want. I'm interested to know what everyone else is buying on Amazon Prime Day. If you're an Amazon seller, how was your Prime Day sales? Let me know that down in the comment section below, as always. I appreciate it, and I'll look forward to answering some of them. Hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, guys, and I'll have 2 more videos out for you by tomorrow. I also have a very, very fun, informative video about wholesale and liquidation warehouses for you guys tomorrow that I'll be filming, hopefully if they let me film. I'm going to visit a humongous wholesale building, and I'll share that with you guys in the next couple of days. Thank you as always. Have a wonderful rest of your night, Prime Day, Prime Night, and I'll see you again tomorrow.